This is
Isaac.
I'm Isaac's dad. Saturday means race day, so stay tuned for some thrilling high-speed racing, courtesy of Speedster Squad. It's gonna be great. Anything else to say?
Yes. So we have these fast racers.
All right. So today is Saturday, and what does that mean, Isaac?
It's race day.
It is race day. So what we're going to do here before we get racing is this. We've got some really cool Hot Wheels cars we've picked out. We've got a really cool racetrack set up, which we love this toy. You can also put cars in it. So what we're going to do, Isaac's going to be able to go pick first. Isaac's going to pick a car, then I'm going to pick a car. We're going to have 4 races, and each race is a point. So, Isaac, you get to pick the first car. What you feeling, homie? Da-da-da-da-da. He is going with...
Golden Dash.
That's Golden Dash. All right. Well, I guess that means Dad's going to go with... Y'all probably guessed it. Who I'm going with.
You're going with Epic.
Epic. All right. Isaac, you get the next pick.
I pick...
Huh? This is tough. Oh, who you picked?
Blue Teal Super Truck.
Super Truck. That's a bold move. I wouldn't have done that. Okay, I know who I'm going with. He's very fast? Okay. I know who I'm going with. I am going with... This guy looks fast. I'm going with this green car. He looks pretty fast. He's got stunt team on the side. He's Hot Wheels official. So I like him. So far, who you got, Isaac?
I got Super Truck and Golden Dash.
Nice. All right, Isaac's on his third pick. Who he's going to go with? Let's see. Really? Who you going with? I can't see him. Put him up.
Golden Super.
Golden Super. That's quite the name. All right, I know who I'm going with next. I'm going with the guy I voice all the time. I'm going to take a risk. You might know him here if you watch any of our shows. Who's that, Isaac? It's me, White Claw. I will not be bad today. I am just racing. Okay, Isaac, last pick for you, sir. Who you got? This is a tough choice. A tough choice. Who you going with?
I'm going with Black Soccer Dude. And they're twins. This is Soccer Dude and Black Soccer Dude.
And Black Soccer Dude. Sweet. That's fun. Okay, I'm going to go with, I guess since I'll take Numbskull here. That's his new name. That's White Claw's.
You understand?
Numbskull. We'll workshop that some more. Okay, but look, this is
Dumbskull.
this is my 4th guy. So let's pick. Who's your first racer? Who you going with first?
Who you going with first?
It depends on who you going with first.
No, you.
I'll go with this guy. I'm gonna go with Numbskull. Numbskull versus what's his name? Is that Gold Chahooty?
Gold Car.
All right, Gold Car versus Numbskull. So Isaac's gonna get them set up. Isaac, let me know when they're ready. I'm almost in position. All right, here we go.
Ready, set, go!
Oh, whoa! That was a big win for Isaac's team.
No, that doesn't count.
Why?
That doesn't count. If they fall down, you have to start over.
Okay, let's start over.
Ready.
Numbskull didn't do good. Go.
Yeah.
Oh, I think this gold guy won.
Golden Car won.
So that's 1 point for Isaac's team. He's pretty pumped about it. He's jumping and stuff. All right, Isaac, you got to pick this time.
Golden Dash.
Ooh. So if he's picking Golden Dash, I know I'm picking Epic. Oh, wait. We saw the last time these two raced. But maybe we'll have a different outcome this time. Let's do it. Isaac's leading 1-0. And it's...
2, 3.
Ooh. Golden Dash won. He won by a lot. So Isaac has a commanding lead now. 2-0 on race day. I got to pull out my big dog. I'm going to put all my faith in to the man, the myth, the legend himself, the man with all the terrible plans, White Claws in the house. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. White Claw. All right.
Set.
That was Batman. Go.
Go.
Oh my gosh.
Let's do this again. White Claw fails, so start over.
Of course he fell. Oh!
Ooh. Told you he's fast.
All right. Did the truck win?
Yeah. Ooh.
All
Let's
right.
have one.
We got one more race left. One more race left in Saturday race day. I think I got this green car. Who you got left? You already put up Golden Dash, I thought. Yeah. All right. All right. Soccer mom. Soccer car.
No, soccer dude. I mean black soccer dude.
Ready, go. Oh my gosh. Isaac wins Saturday race day at the Loon's house by a commanding score of 4-0. How does it feel, sir?
Go.
See you later, folks.